So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to bind a facing and text in CapCut. So after you insert the video, here is now my video. If I want to add a text behind the facing, so that's binding. So now select the video, right click, go to copy and right click, so and paste. Now I make a duplicate of the video. So after you duplicate the video like this, so now go ahead and insert your text. So inside the text, now here is my text. So after you insert like this, now adjust the size of your text. So after you type in what you want to type in this option like this, so now here is my text. So the next thing to do, now select the second video, this one. So go to this video, remove background, and auto remove the background. So after I remove the background of the first video like this, now if I hide this one, so as you can see now I remove the background of the second video. So all you have to do now is check the first of the second video and make it above the text like this. So now adjust the text like this. So now as you can see now the text is behind the facing like this, and that's it. So now you can go ahead and customize the text in this option, text basic. Now you can go ahead and change the font size, font like just color and anything. You can go ahead now and add it to the text. So the next thing to do now, just go ahead now and unhide the first track. So after I unhide the first track, so now as you can see now the text is behind the facing has been binded. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.